Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which two methods are used for confirming the agent is communicating properly to the controller? Choose 2. Option A. Check if data is being written to the agent login, logs. Option B. Log in to the controller UI, settings cog icon greater than AppDynamics agents. In the list, look for the agent in the list by machine host name. Option C. Select application, tiers and nodes, look for the node. Option D. Use grep for the agent process on the application server using the specific agent version name. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Log in to the controller UI, settings cog icon greater than AppDynamics agents. In the list, look for the agent in the list by machine host name. Option C. Select application, tiers and nodes, look for the node. Question 2. The application agent starts but cannot connect to the controller. Which two things should you check to solve this problem? Choose 2. Option A. Check if the controller is using SSL or not. Option B. Check if the agent is using the correct application name. Option C. Check if the agent has enough memory to run. Option D. Check that there are licenses available on the controller. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Check if the controller is using SSL or not. Option D. Check that there are licenses available on the controller. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.